Good morning, everyone. We got new rods and new hips, and we're ready to go catch some fish.
Excellent.
Right. Stay tuned.
Something ain't right. Paul ain't caught a fish yet.
Yeah, what's with that?
Well,
You don't have any fish yet.
I'm pissed.
You better go home.
I'm thinking about it. I'm really thinking about it. Because usually by the time I get here, I have one or two. They heard I was back and they're scared. There we go.
There we go.
I got him. I got you. Oh, this is on state record. Get the net. I'm going to need the net.
All right.
That's a nice brookie. That might be a pin. I don't know. If it's 16, it's a pin.
Ooh,
This is a fat one.
that is a fat one. It's coming towards you.
I'll get him over there. I got the, like I say, I got to tighten the drag a little. All right, coming up. Going back down. This is a nice fish.
It is. Oh,
Whoa!
yikes.
Yeah, we got to tighten the drag just a hair more.
Got him. There you go. All right.
Honey, the honeymoon is over. I have good kids. My kids came over, helped right away.
That's good.
They took care of it. My son mostly. A lot of the stuff was his, and some of his stuff got wet, and he had
fish
guns,
on.
and he's got his guns and everything down there. Oh, that's a nice little one.
All right.
That's not that little.
I see it's coming right towards us, though. A rainbow?
Rainbow looks like.
All right.
Rainbow or salmon?
That's a rainbow.
You sure?
Looks like it. Yeah, I see pink.
Okay.
I see a little pink. Little small rainbow. Wow.
Need the net or no?
Seeing as it hasn't landed one today, I might as well. Tiny little guy. Nice colors, though.
Nice colors, yep.
Yeah.
Feisty.
Yeah. That's what we want. Nice little fish. Thank you, bud. Splash. Have to swap a battery soon. Oh, that's a nice cool breeze, huh?
No, I don't know because I'm wearing long sleeves.
Oh.
I always wear, I don't care how hot it's going to be.
Yeah.
I always wear my huck.
I don't blame you.
I got 3 or 4 of them. I always wear them. You know,
Yeah.
I'd rather be a little warm.
Got one.
Nice.
It's on and recording.
I got it.
Not a bad one.
That's a nice fish.
Yeah.
Do you need a net or?
Not if he stays out of these weeds. That's the real battle.
Now you get weeds on the line. Yeah. Yeah,
that's get to the line.
That's a pretty fish.
It is. Come on over here, guy.
Ooh.
Wow.
And he just flew in because he wants your fish.
I guess.
Oh, I can't see anything in here.
I'm getting there.
No, in a back. I don't know.
Oh, that's all right. It's running.
Okay. Look at this.
I know, huh? He's ballsy.
He wants the fish.
Yeah, he does.
He's worse than the eagles. That's a pretty brookie.
That is a beautiful
I
fish.
don't know if you can feed that one to the bird, but we'll have to catch him one.
On the hopper.
Nice.
Here we go. Have a good one. Thank you, buddy.
Oh, that bird's pissed at you now.
He's like, what? Where'd it go?
I just dropped that on right in front of a fish, and I got him.
All right.
Another decent brookie. Nothing huge, but oh, come get it. The eagle. We got all the birds today. Hey, you want my fish?
That is an eagle too, huh?
Yeah, come get it.
He's like, yeah, I guess you beat me to it.
Well, I don't need to take a picture of everyone.
Right? Not after that first one.
No, that first one's kind of hard to beat.
Yeah.
Unless you get the state record one.
Yeah.
This is another decent one. He's taking drag. This could be the state record. I got him lip hooked. Oh, what a beautiful brookie. He's taking drag.
Wow.
Here. No, seriously, try my rod.
All right.
I'm that kind of guy. Try my rod.
I got it.
Tell me what you think of that.
That feels nice.
That's a Mark McKenna.
Yeah.
That was like a $40 blank.
All right. That's nice.
He could probably make you that for 120 bucks or something.
I'm really leaning towards something like this too.
Well, tell him you want one like the one he made me.
All right.
That's a 6.5 foot ultralight.
Yeah, that's nice. Ooh. You don't like your net?
No, but that's a replacement for the one I snapped 6 inches off the tip.
All right.
Okay, that I had custom made for $300.
There we go. Yeah, we didn't lose anything.
Nope.
Very nice. Try that.
We got him.
Yeah. Get him back in here before he gets hurt. There we go. Got one.
Got one?
Yeah, one little guy.
That's a small brookie.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Thank you.
You got a fish?
One little brookie.
You guys got the right idea.
Make sure that it doesn't flip out, like it like wibbles out.
He's quite all right. He peed all over me.
We're gonna throw them all back anyways.
Yeah.
Maybe.
No, he came up and ate it. I just thought I was gonna, oh, maybe I did. How? He came in the mouth. I got him in the fin. Come on up here. He's hooked like a shiner.
Yeah, you still got him.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not like you're trying to hook him up.
Right. Come on, guy. I got you. It's a pretty decent fish, too. What a gorgeous fish, though.
Oh, yeah.
Jeez. I hooked him like a shiner. How the heck you do that?
You couldn't do that if you were trying.
I know it. There we go.
That's a beautiful fish.
Beautiful fish, huh? Wow. Thank you, buddy. That had to be the one rising.
Yeah. But take them all day long. Like
Absolutely.